Today we will show you how we can polish and wax and clean our diecast models. So for this, today we have this nice model from Norev Models. It is the Mercedes-Benz 280 AC. So for the cleaning and wrapping process, we have arranged some materials over here. So it's a
So it is.
so we you can see that we have an old soft t-shirt which we'll use for wrapping and cleaning, and a stolen makeup brush from my wife beauty box, a secret weapon which is actually a toothbrush, a key to open all the doors, trunks and etc. And the main thing is a polishing compound. So this one is from the turtle wax. You know that turtle wax is a leading waxing and polishing material producer in the world. So let's start. What we will do, we will we will take the polishing compound or the wax by using our hand or finger. So we will slowly rub this polishing compound on the model. Be careful about the small parts which can be either broken or taken off if you do not be careful. So we will rub this wax smoothly on the model.